Hi to all, welcome again. This is your favorite channel. I am from the Afrikaans Academy, and as I recently discussed about the vowels, the sounding of the vowels, very important for you to know how to sound the word. The reason is because, as we mentioned in our previous lesson, that Afrikaans is a phonic language. But now what about the other consonants? Or what are the other consonants? Now, when you look at the B, it's pronounced B. And then we can look at the word book. So again, listen to the sound of the word book. So if I sound the whole word, I will say B-ook, book. So this might sound that is for small children, but remember that when you do a language, you have to start with the basics. So this is when we start with the basics in order for you to pronounce the word correctly. And once you pronounce the word correctly, you will also be able to read it and will also be able to write it correctly. Let's look at the D. The D is D. D. Then we look at the word dear. Dear, to door. Or you can say dear, through. So dear. So if I sound the word dear. So notice that the sound of each word remains the same. In other words, if you know all the sounding of the words, it will remain the same in any given word. Now we go to the letter F of fits. Can you see? Fits. Now let me sound the word fits. Fits. So there again you can understand the definition why we are mostly concentrating on the sounding of the word. So once you sound the word correctly, and cannot overemphasize why we need to sound the word correctly. Now the following one is a lot of you have difficulty with, and that is the word gaan. The G, the sound. Gaan, goeiemorgen, gans, go, gister. So when you sound it, you must come here on the stomach. Gaan, go, goeie, and so forth. So it's very, very important. I cannot again overemphasize why the sounding of the word is important. And all who are really doing Afrikaans, and when you speak to most of you, you say, the sounding of the word. So you just concentrate when you are a starter on the sounding of the word. As I follow with my channel, I will go more in detail. So I repeat, if you are in grade 11 and you want to know more, please contact me